Mayan civilization. The Mayan civilization is located in Central America, currently the southern region of Mexico. As early as 1500 BCE, the Mayans had settled in villages and were practicing agriculture. The classic period of Mayan culture lasted from about 50 CE until about 1900. At its height, Mayan civilization consisted of more than 40 cities, each with a population between 5,000 and 50,000. For reference, it was middle of late Bronze Age. The Mayan civilization collapse is one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in archaeology. It is not clear that specifically when the kingdom declined. Pyramids. Pyramids were constructed with adobe bricks and colored with limestones. Construction technology. The Mayan civilization used very simple tools for building their structures. The most common used tools were made of carving limestones, which was geographically very abundant in most settlements. Architecture and temple planning. Mayans architecture consists of massive stones. Step pyramids are called roofing and monumental stairways. The exteriors were decorated with sculptures and molding of Mayan glyphs, geometric shapes, and iconography for religions such as serpent marks. Buildings and planning. They were skilled architects, building great cities of stones. The Mayans built pyramids, temples, palaces, walls, residences, and more. They often decorated their buildings with interact stones carving, paintings, and stucco statues. Surveying and leveling. Mayans employed a measurement system called Zapal, which was 147 plus or minus 5 cm long and was divided into 60 units or 9 units of each. Structural engineering. Now coming to structural merits, Mayans used limestones, stones, woods, muds to construct their houses. They used mud and limestone as binding material, as limestone was most abundant material in their region. They would cover the top of houses with grasses or tree crunches to try to prevent rain from entering the houses. Water resources. Mayans built two artificial lakes, each capable of holding water of 10 Olympic-sized pools. Mayans lined their huge resources of drinking water with ceramic shares. Transportation system. The Mayan cities consisted of structural roads. These white roads were constructed using large stones which were outlaid by rubles. Often they were laid a large cylindrical stones were rolled over the surface, compacting roads. Next they were surfaced with a smooth layer of stucco.